Aye, Daddy, would you get us a dog? A big brown Alsatian, or a wee white pug, or a skinny wee terrier, or a big fat collie? Oh, Daddy, get us a dog. Will you? What? And what's Douglet be when it dirties the flare and pees in the carpet and messes the stair? It's me your mammy'll be teen for a mug. I won't and play, you're no getting a dog. Oh, bet, Daddy. They're giving them away down there at the RSPCA. You'll get one for nothing, so you will. Oh, Daddy, get us a dog, will you? Do you hear him? On about dogs again. I think that ane's got dogs in the brain. I ken what you'll get. A skite in the lug if I hear ony mair about this bloomin' dog. Oh, Daddy, it wouldn't be dear to keep, and I'd must get a basket for it to sleep, and I'd tuck it for runs awow the hill. Oh, Daddy, get us a dog, will you? I don't think there's ymdy like you. You could wheedle the twist out a flaming corkscrew, get down off my neck, gies none of your hugs. All right, that's enough, I'll get you a dog. Oh, Daddy, a dog, a dog.